Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Ethan Days. And if you look at these posters, you're gonna find a lot of Honda bikes. And yeah, we are at the Honda showroom, and apparently we had come here to do a video on the Transalp, the 750 ADV that Honda has. Apparently, we showed up at the right time that the Transalp 750 is launching at the showroom. So head on out with me and let's go check out how the bike looks, what's different, and yeah, let's go look at it. And there's the X-ADV 750 as well, which is getting unveiled, and the same engine which is there in the Transalp put in a multi-scooter, so a maxi-scooter actually. So let's go check it out and see how it looks.
Good morning. First of all, thank you all for joining for today's event. So we are pleased to have Mr. Guru Patnaik, our chief guest for the event. So please give a big and we have our dealer principal, Mr. Balika sir, with us. So today is a very special day for us. Honda Living Top in Bangalore. So we are unveiling our three most beautiful bikes today. And all the bikes are first of its kind, as in like Rebel is launched in India this month. It was a very anticipating bike for all the bikers. And today we had our first Rebel owner, Ms. Rashmi Naik, with us. And also we do have our XL 750 and X-ADV owners today and present with us. So please grab them also.
So this is the 2025 upgraded Transalp which has come to India. There is no difference in specifications from an international model to an Indian model. These come as CVU. These are made in Japan and bought to India. All yours, sir. This is Honda's first maxi scooter in India, and this is a DCT scooter 750cc. This is a 6-main gearbox, and it's a very unique. I don't know if I should call it a scooter or a motorcycle. I would say a maxi scooter. And currently there is no competitor in the market for this product. Right? So I would request Guru sir and Balika sir to unveil this bike. Yes.
So guys, I'm not sure how much you've seen, but it's going to be a very small video, and we're back to the start. We're in the lounge area, so couldn't get to see a lot of the bikes because they're getting delivered also. The customers are eagerly waiting to see their babies, and they're eagerly waiting to ride it also, so didn't want to distract them. So whatever small glimpse that you saw is the new bikes that is launched. And as you know, the showroom executive mentioned that the X-ADV is one of the first in the market, and you know, it's the market leading in whatever they're doing with that scooter, the maxi scooter. So hope you'll enjoy the video. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.